where does the name for Kelsterton, or in Welsh Celstryn, come from? So today I'm in Flintshire, just outside of Connors Quay, and I'm in a place called Kelsterton. Let's get into the name. The first part of the name Kelsterton, or Celstryn in Welsh, goes back to the Old English personal name Celherra. We can see this in the early recorded forms of the name, such as Celstryn and Celdristyn. The second element, tun, comes from Old English tun, meaning a farmstead or enclosure, the same root that gives us the modern word town. In this case, it most likely referred to an early farming settlement belonging to someone called Celherra. Over the centuries, the name evolved through normal patterns of sound change and local adaptation, eventually becoming Kelsterton in modern English and Celstryn in Welsh. The difference is caused by where the intonation fell in the different languages. Kelsterton later became best known for its hall and for its brewery, a large ale and porter brewery built in 1818, said to be the first of its kind established in the county. The site became a notable local employer and an important part of the area's industrial history. For this video I've drawn heavily on the book Place Names of Flintshire by Llywelyn Owen. If you're interested in how Old English and Welsh overlap and interact in the names of Flintshire's towns and villages, it's an excellent resource. I'll include a link in the comments. So the name literally means Celherra's farmstead. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe. And if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales and a couple outside of it as well, you can on my Patreon. The link's in my bio. Diolch. Have a good one.